Now, here's how you're gonna get walking directions on your maps on the iPhone. So you might be, for example, using the Google Maps, you might be using the Apple Maps, but with the Google Maps, it's pretty simple because all you gotta do is to, of course, set up a location in here, which is gonna be the starting point and also the destination. And in here, the way that it works is that you essentially switch from these options in here, right? So at first, you're likely gonna have it turn on for the car. In here it says like 4 minutes in here, but in case I want to switch or get the walking directions, I just need to tap on this little person walking. And right now this dotted line represents the walking directions, obviously. And in here, what you got to do is you can switch to a different route in case you prefer. And yeah, I mean, this is just a route, but to preview the steps, you can tap on this and you can jump in between the maps, like options and all the turns in here, and just very intuitive. You can jump back and forth to see all of the turns and how exactly you're gonna get there. So very useful stuff. Obviously, you don't have to remember this, as you will of course have the ability to turn on location services, so it's gonna give you every step of the way. For the Apple Maps, however, what you can do is to also just like set it up in a similar way, right? But yeah, let me just show it to you. So using the Apple Maps, you might as well just choose another specific point on a map right here, and you're gonna get a direction, and you're gonna choose a start. And let's say I'm gonna just choose some different thing, right? So let's say it's gonna be this right here, and obviously it should be like somewhere close, right? So if you just check it out in here, what you can do is also find like two spots on a map which you can connect either through a car or through a person. So it's also very similar in that sense, but it's obviously a different app and stuff. So you might as well just get the steps in here, and you can also just preview the location and all the turns and everything. So yeah, it's also very intuitive, and it's up to you to decide which app you want to be using. So hope you found this video helpful. Hit a thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one.